You see that? That's my real bald spot. No filters, no tricks, but don't blink because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I covered up that bald spot using one simple product, one bag of hair, and a whole lot of confidence. Okay, let's get started by brushing out our hair, or I'm actually combing out my hair, and I'm going in with the Shine and Jam. This is my favorite product to mold my own natural hair into a little miniature bun. And what I wanted to mention, you guys, right behind me is my book, The Hidden Beauty Transforming Through Traction Alopecia. Guys, this is my self-help book about my traction alopecia hair loss journey. There is some great stuff in this book. It's all about healing and self-developing and transforming through this traction alopecia. There's great affirmations in this book and so many good things. So make sure you grab your copy. Check the link below. So once I get my hair all brushed up, I like to go ahead in with my satin tie and just tie my hair down really nice into a little miniature bun like so. And guys, my hair is not tight at all. It is the Shine and Jam that makes it look so slick and sleek, but I promise you, I am not pulling on my hair. And by the way, this is just a demo. I do not wear my hair up like this. I wear wigs all the time. Now I'm going in with my Got To Be Glued gel, and I'm just swooping those little baby hairs. I felt like doing some little baby hairs up in the front. I think that just elevates the look, and it's just as simple as that with my little edge brush. And the Got To Be Glued holds it down all day for me. So now I'm going in with one of my favorite products, and that is the Kiss Quick Cover Stick. It's a root touch-up stick. It covers gray hairs, but I stumbled upon this product years ago, and it has been covering my bald spots. And what I like about this cover stick is that it blends so well. It's creamy, it's moisturizing, it has a nice sheen to it, and it just blends out so well. There are other techniques out there that I've used, like adding hair and extra glue in my hair, like Got To Be Glued gel to hold the hairs in. And that technique looks really natural, but I try not to do that often so that I can savor the little bit of the baby hairs around the perimeter that I have. Now, my follicles are dead. I had a diagnosis. They're not coming back, so I'm not harming my hair at all. These hairstyles are inspirational hairstyles for women that want to wear their hair up from time to time. I hope that you find them inspiring. What I'm doing now is going in with a little bit of my Got To Be Glued freeze spray to prevent transfer, and I am blow drying it out. Today I'm being lazy and I didn't feel like molding it down. So next we're going to go in with a jumbo pack of hair. It could be any kind, it doesn't matter. And I'm just going to tie that on my little miniature bun. And then I'm going to go in with this big old donut and place that over my little miniature bun. Now, there is no science to this, guys. You just have to play around and wrap it to your liking. Now, I wasn't going for a perfect donut looking bun. I don't like it. I don't like to see that round donut just sitting on my head. So I was going for more of a bird's nest messy bun. So just continue to watch and enjoy as I wrap my hair. Now, while you're wrapping your hair, make sure you have lots of bobby pins and just secure that bun down as best as possible. And this is what the big messy bun looks like. I love it. Now, if you want a little extra security, you want a little extra confidence, I love my little synthetic bang. It has 3 clips there. It's super simple to just clip on. And the bang just elevates the style and it gives you a different look. So you can actually switch up the look and make it look a lot more funner. It just elevates the look a little bit more. What do you think? Which style are you feeling, number 1 or number 2? I don't know. I'm not really a bang girl, but hey, you know, if you're a little lacking confidence of those edges, I say go for the bang. Now I did miss a little spot blending right there, but look, there is no bald spot, honey. That cover stick covered up that bald spot. Tell me this is not a great hack. Alopecia, what? Let me tell you, I am loving it. Where's that bald spot you saw in the beginning of the video? Leave me a comment, guys, and let me know what you think and have you tried this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.